Got the fuel pump, but there's something missing. On that tube up there, you need a spacer, and then on top of that spacer, you need an O-ring. Now the spacer just fell out of its own accord. It's kind of banging around in the sub-tank. There it is. And we just put that back where it was before. And then the O-ring is going to be a little bit of a tougher proposition. Hard to even see that. I don't know if you're even seeing that at all, but there's an O-ring up there where it is fit. And we're going to have to finagle that out of there. And then the fuel regulator, which as I probably mentioned earlier, has 2 O-rings. So be careful that, or be sure that they don't get stranded there in the fuel filter. They are needed for a good seal and to avoid fuel leaks. And now I'll struggle with those off camera. So here I am. I've replaced the O-ring on the fuel pressure regulator, which we pulled out very gingerly with this trim tool. I was successfully able to, because they suggested wrapping in the Haynes manual, wrapping a screwdriver with a piece of electrical tape or something, but preferred to not gunk up my screwdriver. I replaced the O-ring on the top of the fuel pump there, and there's the old one. And now, aside from that mounting bracket that we need to pop off, we're very much in the assembly or installation is the reverse of disassembly part of this operation. So we'll see you in the next one. Just pop off these tabs, push everything back into place, and clip on this unit, plug in the electrical connectors that we disconnected earlier, and then we'll get to the part of dropping it back in and reinstalling the lock ring.